What's up, tribe? Welcome back to the Daily Multivitamin. And this afternoon, it's actually this afternoon as opposed to morning when I normally do these, but I wanted to hop in here and implore you to do something. And that something is that you would acquire a specific person so that they can help you navigate through the highs and lows of life. And that person is what I would call a sage. And if you enjoy some of the films that I've enjoyed, films like Star Wars with Luke Skywalker and the one and only Yoda, or the Hunger Games with Katniss Everdeen and Haymitch, or maybe even Lord of the Rings if you love some Frodo and Gandalf. But in all of these, there is a pattern, and that is you've got a hero who needs a sage-like individual that can help him navigate the highs and the lows and avoid foolishness and instead live a life that's characterized by wisdom. The scriptures have said it very clearly that a multitude of counsel is where wisdom resides. And the more counsel, especially wise counsel, you can surround yourself with, then the more likely you are to act congruently with wisdom. And wisdom is gained through experience, both experience through wise decisions and wise action, and experience through foolish decisions and foolish action. We've both been there. We've done both of these. We have stories that we can tell of foolish things we have done and thought of and believed, and wise things that we have thought, believed, and have done. And yet, yesterday, I was meeting with a sage in my own life. We were enjoying an amazing cigar at a local cigar club, and the amount of wisdom that he was able to provide to me in 45 minutes time was incalculable. And so I wanted to hop on here and just implore you to get yourself a sage and do whatever you have to surround yourself with that kind of person, because if you can find that person or multiples, then you are likely to have that much more leverage in living a wise as opposed to foolish life. So, my friends, go find yourself a sage. If I can help you, you just let me know. But the more sages you have and the wiser they are, then the greater likelihood you have of you yourself being wise and living with wisdom. Take care. That's all I got for you. Adios. Have a great weekend.